This is our project demonstration video for the electrical machines and drive course, and this is our propeller display circuit. The developers of this project is FerhatAtes and Furkan. Our components for this circuit is 9-volt power supply, Arduino Nano, 8 of LEDs with resistors, and there is a voltage divider to make this circuit has 5 volts, so the Arduino will not run. And we have our DC motor in here. And the main aim of this project is creating an image by rounding this with like 1000 round per minute, and there will be a image or watch or some display will show to us, and we can try to demonstrate it. And there is we make some connection between DC motor and our PCB. So this is how we connect this, and we will give some power to our Arduino, or actually our circuit. So it's already coded, and we will show the codes later. So it lights the LEDs in a sequence, so it will show a image to us. So basically we will try to run this. Sometimes. Circuit. The accident happened. We tried to rebuild our project, but it's somehow broken. We are trying to give the voltage again. So it's supposed to show some watch time and write to AGU, but we couldn't really see it. So this is our code to program our Arduino. We use a time library, and we get this time library from GitHub. It takes the information of time from computer and loads it to the Arduino. So we can change our characters height and width from here. So we can decrease the height and increase the width, whatever, but the height cannot be larger than 8 since we have 8 LEDs. And we assigned these LED pins from 2 to the 9 for our Arduino Uno. It's actually Arduino Mini that we use. So we have 8 LEDs. And this hexadecimal values is actually for all characters, and we also get those characters values from GitHub. So for example, if you want to write, let's say G, this LED, hexadecimal information will light up the LEDs, so ones and zeros. It's basically like that. So we use a sensor. This sensor basically detects the speed of our motor. So according to the speed, it lights up the LED, so there will be a synchronization. However, while we are demonstrating our project, we broke it 2 times, so the sensor get damaged. So our circuit couldn't really synchronize the whatever we want to write up. And this text string helps us to change the letters or characters that we want to write. We try to write famous, but basically if we try to write AGU, just we will write an AGU here, and this is the only thing that we need to change, which is easy. So setup loop is basically sets the time and gets the information from our computer, loads our Arduino. This is its function. So the loop in here, it's basically sets the clock simply. So it gets the information from our computer, but if the hour is less than 10, it adds 0, otherwise it will just gives the hour, which makes like 2 characters of each hour, minute and second. So it's all same. As you can see, there's a 0 for second, minute or hour. So anyway, these loops, those 2 loops, they are basically writing the information of time and the letter that we try to write. And this is all for the coding. This is all our algorithms, so you can find more in our report.